everyone, so my name is Luanami L. Bautista and my course is DS Management and I'm 26. The Internet of Things or IoT is a system where devices like appliances, bicycles, and even everyday objects are connected to the Internet. These devices have sensors and software that allow them to communicate and share data with each other. For example, in a smart home, your thermostat lights and security camera can work together to make life more convenient and efficient. What is IoT? Ang IoT ay tumutukoy sa mga devices na nakakonekta sa internet para mag-share at mag-communicate ng data gamit ang sensors at software na kakontrol or na-access natin ang mga devices na ito kahit malayo tayo. For example, sa bahay, pwede mong kontrolin ang ilaw, aircon, or security cameras. Gamit ang smartphone or voice command, ang IoT technology ay nagpapadali at nagpapasimple ng buhay natin. We discuss about advantage and disadvantage of IoT. Advantage. The first one is automation and convenience. IoT devices make tasks easier by the automating process. Example, yung smart home system mo, it can turn on the lights and adjust the AC kahit na malayo ka pa. The second one, cost savings. With IoT devices, energy consumption can be monitored and optimized. Example, yung mga smart appliances mo nakakatulong magpababa ng kuryente kasi matatrack niya yung mga energy use mo lang. The third one is better decision making. IoT system collect data that can be analyzed to make more informed decision. Example, sa farm mo, pwede mong gamitin yung mga sensors to know kung kailan at kailangan magtanim or mag-ani based sa data na kinokolekta. The fourth one is improve safety. IoT devices can help improve safety in various sectors. And example, yung mga smart security system natin, nakakakita sila ng mga movements. So, kung may mga intruder, ma-alert ko agad. Disadvantage. The first one is security risk. Dahil konektado ang mga devices sa internet, may risk na ma-hack ang mga ito at makuha yung personal data mo or ma-access ang mga gamit mo. The second one is privacy issue. Ang mga smart devices ay nagkukolek ng data tungkol sa iyong habits at kung hindi secure, pwede itong magdulot ng privacy concern. The third one is compatibility problems. The fourth one is high initial cost. Mataas ang initial cost ng pagbili at pag-set up ng mga smart home devices, kaya medyo magastos sa umpisa. I would use Internet of Things in my daily life because it makes tasks like adjusting the temperature or turning off the lights super easy and convenient. However, I also be careful about security risks, so I will make sure to choose secure devices to protect my privacy. In my own opinion, if IoT is good or bad for society, it's good because it makes our life more convenient and efficient, especially in managing energy and security of people. However, it also comes with risks like privacy concern because pwedeng mag-cause ng hacking, which is need natin ingatan at make sure na proper security measures as long as we say questions and choose secure devices. IoT can bring great benefits to society. And that's all for my presentation. Thank you for watching and goodbye.